Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Well, on today's episode we'll be learning how to draw a square knot, and I'll be showing you some tricks in drawing a square knot. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, ring the bell to get notified when I post new and exciting videos. Let's say we're given the diameter is equals to 24 millimeter. We know that width W is equals to 1.5 D plus 3. You will have 39 millimeter. For drawing knots, I will always prefer that the head of my knot is equal to my diameter. Okay, when in both you can use 0.8 D, 0.75 D, it's acceptable. The angle of chamfer theta is equal to 30 degrees. Radius of chamfer is equal to 2D, which is equal to 48 millimeters. And with these parameters, we can draw. So the first thing I will do is that I will construct a square, and the square will be of length 39 millimeters. That is the width. So I'll draw a straight line. So having done that, okay, now I'll divide this part into two, and I'll draw a center line to depict the center of our diagram. So getting the half here, okay, and then, alright, having done this, I'll also do that for this part. Our diameter is 24. Now, if diameter is 24, that means our radius will be 12. So with radius of 12, this is 12, okay? Radius of 12. I'll pin this middle point here. Now I'll draw a circle. Alright. Now, at any point above this, I'll just draw a straight line. Okay. I try to make the line very long because we use it for the side view too. Okay. Now, I haven't drawn this line. Now I will elongate this part of the square upward with faint lines, please. Now remember, our head is equal to diameter. That means if diameter is 24, that means our head is also 24. So this is 24. Mark the points. 24. Now join. Remember, our radius of chamfer is 48. So with my compass, I'll measure 48. This is 48, okay? And I'll place it at this point and cut it down. Place at this point where you cut, okay, with the line, and then I'll draw an arc. Then you can now thicken it. Alright, now let's go about drawing the side view. Now, as usual, I will pin here, elongate this part, and bring it towards the side. I'll also elongate this part up, carry it up too. I also like to have the midpoint here too. So I'll do this straight up. I'll also elongate this line. Then I'll elongate this one here I drew. Okay. Now with that same radius of 48, that's our radius of chamfer, 48. I'll pin it here. Now cut. Now pin it where I cut, and then I will draw the chamfer. After drawing the chamfer, I will then thicken this part. Alright. Now since we can set to elongate this circle here, but I like elongating it, so I prefer to measure. Diameter 24, radius 12, so that is 1.2, 1.2. Okay, this is how to draw a square knot. Now, if you want to learn how to draw a hexagonal knot, please click on the description part of this video. You will see a link there how to draw a hexagonal knot, hexagonal bolts, square bolts, anything regarding bolts and knots. I'll leave the links in the description part of this video. You can click, watch, and learn. Thank you for watching today's video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, give us a thumbs up, please say something in the comment section, very important, and then share this video to your friends and loved ones. Alright guys, see you next episode.